Welcome, this is Meera Chaudhary for Channel NE24. A bust of late Kanendu Bhattacharjee, former Congress District President, MLA and MP, was unveiled at the Cachar District Congress office near Rajiv Bhavan. The event saw participation of several political leaders, social activists and members of his family, including his wife Nandini Bhattacharjee and daughters Shobhana and Komalika. Leaders from various political backgrounds and apolitical organizations paid floral tribute to the bust, honoring Bhattacharjee's legacy. A commemorative meeting was held at the Rajiv Bhavan, where speakers reflected on his remarkable political journey and lifelong dedication to social service. The ceremony included with a lighting of lamp and traditional honors presented to his family. The event was anchored by Suryakanta Sarkar and attended by key figures such as Anwar Hussain, Abhijit Paul, Dr. Tapodir Bhattacharjee, Misbahul Islam Lashkar, Ajit Singh and others from across Borak Valley. For more news and updates, subscribe our channel NE24, YouTube and support us by following our Facebook page.
অসম প্ৰদেশ কংগ্ৰেছ কমিটিৰ উপসভাপতি আমাৰ জ্যেষ্ঠ নেতা আমাৰ অৰুণ দত্ত মজুমদাৰ ডাঙৰীয়া আমাৰ প্ৰতিমূৰ্তি উন্মোচন কৰিব পৰা হৈছে তাৰ কাৰণে মই শিলচৰ জিলা কংগ্ৰেছক মই আজি ধন্যবাদ ও কৃতজ্ঞতা জ্ঞাপন কৰিছোঁ লগতে আজি অসম প্ৰদেশ কংগ্ৰেছ কমিটিৰ ফালৰ পৰা আপোনালোক সকলোকে মই আজি শুভেচ্ছা ও অভিনন্দন জনাইছোঁ যে এই সভাত উপস্থিত হৈ প্ৰয়াত নেতাগৰাকীক আমি সকলোৱে শ্ৰদ্ধাৰে সোঁৱৰিছোঁ। আজি আমাৰ এই কণেন্দু ভট্টাচাৰ্য ডাঙৰীয়া তেখেত আজি 29 বছৰ কাল শিলচৰ জিলা কংগ্ৰেছ